Now I'm going to talk about how to handle with cross-domain linking. First, starting, what is cross-domain linking? The cross-domain linking basically allows Google Analytics to track users across multiple domains that are related to your site. This may be the case of your checkout page. And I will explain this with this example. Here we have an example visit that came through a Facebook ad and land to your site, view your site, pick a couple items and proceed to the checkout, okay? So first he visits the cart at your site, and to proceed to the checkout, your site redirects him to the PayPal. He do his purchase, and then PayPal redirects to your site to the thank you page. So how is Google Analytics reading this? You would expect that all this flow is attributed to the first Facebook hit. We expect Google to say as well, this purchase was made by Facebook. But the reality is that Google is seeing this, is as Facebook landed to the site and go to the cart and then left on the site. So that is where the first session ended. And then another session happened coming from paypal.com and just landed to the thank you page. So all the purchases in this case will be attributed to PayPal. So if you see in your transactions reports that many of your transactions are attributed to your checkout domain or PayPal in this case, there is a cross-domain linking issue. When we set this up, we say to Google that all these visits are related and Google will keep it all in one single session. So how to make sure that we have this enabled or we have this correctly set up? Well, first of all, if you followed the guide Matias showed us at the beginning, you don't have to set any of this because in the NetSuite integration, it's already covered. So you don't have to take care of this. But in case you don't have that integration, if you're running on other platforms, what you will want to do is go to your Google Analytics variable on your Google Tag Manager, and on the advanced settings, add the domains to the cross-domain tracking section. Okay, so in this case, I will put PayPal, as in the example we saw before. And then on the fields to set, you want a new field name called allow linker. It has to be a lowercase and the uppercase, and then the value to true. Okay, so by setting these two and then publishing your container, this problem will be solved in your Google Analytics tracking.